Welcome to this Grammar Explainer. Let's dive right into building some brilliant, complex sentences. Aisha won the race, even though... How would you finish that? Hold that thought for later.
First up, subordinating conjunctions. Think of these words as the sticky tape joining your clauses together.
They kick off adverbial clauses. This adds extra detail, but hey, it absolutely must contain a verb.
Here's our first building block, because. It snaps right in to explain exactly why something happened.
Another super useful block is since. It's totally perfect for showing time or giving a reason. And then there's when. Snap it in to instantly add crucial time details to your sentences. Look at the right side. It actually includes the verb was, making it a true adverbial clause. Okay, switching gears. Let's look at our next tools, relative pronouns and relative clauses. Words like who and which are your new blocks. They lock in directly after a noun. See how the relative clause, who loves a bargain, neatly interrupts the sentence between two commas? All right, pop quiz. What exactly kind of word kicks off an adverbial clause? Spot on. It's our trusty subordinating conjunction, acting as that sticky tape for your ideas. Let's level up. Look closely. Which three of these can act as subordinating conjunctions? You got it. When, since, and whilst are the perfect connectors here. Back to our opening mystery. Which two endings actually make sense for this sentence? Since even though shows contrast, those two challenging situations fit perfectly to finish the thought.
Now, for relative clauses. Where exactly does this specific building block lock into place?
Nailed it. Always right after a noun to give us those extra juicy details. Let's spot these in the wild. Which two sentences are using our relative pronoun blocks? Check it out. Both use the pronoun who to tell us way more about Lucas. Last challenge for this explainer. Can you isolate the exact relative clause right here? Boom. It's that I had bruised. It starts with that and totally describes the finger. You've got the ultimate building blocks now. So what amazing sentences will you construct today?